Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the virtual trader token. Ticker symbol is VTR. This token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the virtual trader token. So this token was trending number 1 earlier. Right now it's trending number 2. VTR is the ticker symbol. They have a full audit listed here on PinkSale. They were audited by Block Seifu, and you can view the PDF of that PinkSale or the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. You can also view their KYC on PinkSale, which means their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. So their soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 50 BNB. They've already passed that. They're at 87.14 BNB. Worth of tokens sold to 148 different investors. So they already have a successful pre-sale. Time will finish. This pre-sale will end on January 19th, 14 hours UTC time. So if you missed this pre-sale, you're still looking to get this token, there's no worries. Shortly after the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to get this token on PancakeSwap. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 370 days. Now for socials, they have a Reddit, Discord, they have a GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, they have a YouTube channel, they even have their webpage listed on here, virtualtrader.app, if you're looking for more information. So Virtual Trader, VTR, is a worldwide P2P exchange providing cryptocurrency trading and investment solutions completely free of intermediaries. With the VTR token, investors will have access to staking VTR, swapping, farming, bridging. There's going to be a VTR credit card, governance, NFTs, all of these fully audited and verified, KYC'd, 0 fees for buying and selling, marketing schedule, fully aggressive with influencers, ask me anythings with voices, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, all sorts of cool stuff coming up in the future here. So 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100,000 tokens, 40,400 tokens for pre-sale, 19,573.8 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $39,112. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 40.4% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 19.57% of the tokens go to liquidity, 5% team, 5% partners in marketing, 20% platform traders, 10% exchange listings, and only a tiny little sliver of the tokens are unlocked, probably like 0.1%. I can't even put the mouse over top of it. It is so tiny. Now, they do have a quick light audit here by Analytics Audit that you can view in the discussion section on PinkSale. There's no bad warnings or anything like that on their quick audit. It's just all good check marks. It says owner cannot set a blacklist, owner cannot change trading status, owner cannot set max transaction, owner cannot change fees, and no mint function found, owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now, if you're looking for more info, like I said, you could head over to their official webpage, which is virtualtrader.app. If you're looking for updates like when they're getting new listings, when they're going to be listed on PancakeSwap or central exchanges or whatever, you can follow their Twitter at virtualtrader0 or their Telegram at virtualtraderglobal. On their webpage, they do have a full white paper as well. You can check that out. So, Virtual Trader is a P2P exchange worldwide platform providing investment and crypto trading solutions for all countries. Their vision here, it says, after a market analysis, we identify some anomalies and also open entry in order to bring above all security but also ease for our investors. So we approach from the most biased DeFi tools as the best negotiations for zero rate. Their mission here, it says, our platform offering P2P trading solutions to investors. Our token VTR allows users to make discounted payments, trades, legal tax support, and stake their profits. We rely on the P2P system where we will connect investors and transactions without intermediaries. There's going to be a swap. Cryptocurrency swap is a feature that allows the exchange of tokens and cryptocurrencies. Virtual Trader allows you to do this quickly and easily through a cryptocurrency swap or exchange module. You can earn passive income with increasing rewards. For that purpose, we have a high APR, annual percentage rate, for the staking via their DApp, also governance. Our investors are our partners, therefore they have the right to vote and make decisions for the project. They have something called they have the bridge here. It says, at Virtual Trader, we have a bi-directional point where investors will be allowed to transfer assets in both directions from one blockchain to another. This will improve interoperability between Layer 1 and Layer 2 protocols, or even between various side chains. They have the farms. We will have a farming system where investors hold and earn rewards. And lastly, they have the pool. We will have a VTR token locked in a smart contract to provide the necessary liquidity for Virtual Trader. Now, the roadmap is available on their white paper here, starting with Q1 2023, where we're at right now, with the website, social networks, creation of the contract, the BEP20 contract, KYC, audit, pre-sale on Pink Sale. So that's where we're at right now. Coming up in the future, we're going to have listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, central exchange listings. They're going to have the DApp release, public mainnet launch, DApp analytics release, staking, pool, farming, buy crypto via credit card, P2P platform, and then multi-chain bridging NFT collection comes out next. Q3 2023, they're going to have marketing and social networks, PooCoin ads, channels, telegrams, Google ads, Facebook ads, and more. And then in the future, there will be more updates made to the roadmap after that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the VTR token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.